EMD Retail specializes in providing AI-driven energy management systems designed specifically for retail settings. Retailers do not need to pay for the components of the system. Our systems come with a default Service Level 1, which delivers detailed weekly reports on energy usage and temperature. These reports provide valuable insights that can enhance cost-effectiveness. Let's explore some of the key benefits. The weekly reports include temperature curves for each unit, offering unmatched insight into the performance of your refrigeration systems. Imagine being able to see which units are out of range as shown in red. These curves serve as health indicators for your store's operations, showing how well your refrigeration units are calibrated to keep products fresh. By examining average temperature data and daily fluctuations, you can make proactive adjustments to maintain product freshness, improve energy efficiency, and reduce food waste. Armed with data on total weekly energy consumption and average hourly consumption, you can pinpoint inefficiencies and make strategies to cut energy costs without compromising operational quality. When you see that certain refrigeration units use more electricity than expected, as shown in the graph, you can take steps to reduce the high usage. Service Level 1 enables retailers to make data-driven decisions that promote energy efficiency and sustainability. The system provides instant alerts in case of deviations from compliant temperature levels for food storage, as shown here. The same applies to cases of power supply interruptions, allowing for quick action to ensure food safety. Proactive monitoring helps you prevent potential problems before they worsen. Instant alerts also enable stores to take preemptive steps to avert equipment failures and costly downtime. This proactive approach not only safeguards product quality but also prolongs the lifespan of equipment. When you discover in the report that compressors are running constantly as shown here, you can intervene to avoid a breakdown. This contributes to prolonging the lifetime of your compressors. Information on average daily temperatures and hourly temperature extremes empowers you to quickly spot trends and anomalies. As shown here, you can compare reports to identify patterns. This detailed data facilitates proactive measures to preserve product integrity and prevent energy wastage. Understanding the average daily operating time of compressors is crucial for maximizing efficiency and extending equipment lifespan. Here, you can see a graph illustrating a compressor that runs constantly because the thermostat is broken or not adjusted properly. This results in higher energy consumption and temperature levels that are too low. This can also lead to compressor failure. Service Level 1 reports provide the insights needed to optimize compressor usage and reduce energy consumption. Here, you can see two graphs showing a well-adjusted thermostat. This results in compliant temperature levels and less energy consumption. Knowing the average operating time for compressors ensures that each cycle is optimized for energy conservation. But you will always receive an alert in case of deviations. Thank you for watching.